Hi everybody, I'm Jerry. Was just sent this really cool electric cooktop, and what makes this really unique is the fact it's got these two 6-inch burners on this glass cooktop that you can use your own personal pans, and it doesn't necessarily matter which pans that you use. You can use any pans that you'd like. They give you a very long, over 6-foot cord, built very well. I'm going to go ahead and plug that into a standard 110 outlet and get it turned on. On the front here, you've got a digital display. Each burner is controlled independently, so you can simply turn it on and set it maximum to 430 degrees or all the way down to 190 if you chose to do so. Then when the pan is on there, it actually activates it. When you lift your pan off, it actually will show you that the pan is off or out. Put the pan back on, it reactivates. And then with this, it actually heats up relatively quickly. I can show you here, it's actually going to start heating up. It's already up to 121 degrees. And we'll continue to heat up 125, and it's going to go and heat up really quickly for that. But one of the other nice features about this is the fact that this actually comes with this right here, which is a very nice metal cooktop here that actually can cover both of these. It locks in place over both. And then when you actually turn this on, you can actually have a griddle surface. We can go ahead and set the temperature on that one as well and get it going. And so now you've got a heated griddle surface that's going to go with this nice non-slick surface here, and these handles on here allow you to remove this when it's done. So this will allow you to cook pretty much anywhere that you have an electrical outlet.